The triple jump is divided into the following phases: approach, hop, step, and jump. The jumper's objectives are to achieve powerful takeoffs and to minimize the loss of horizontal velocity. In the approach phase, the jumper accelerates to maximum controllable speed. Speed and stride frequency should increase continuously throughout the approach. The hop is quick and flat and should cover about 35% of the overall distance. The takeoff direction should be forward, not upward. The takeoff leg is drawn forward and upward, then extended forward to prepare for the touchdown. The trunk is kept upright. In the step phase, the jumper covers about 30% of the overall distance. The duration of the step should be equal to the hop. The lead leg should be almost completely extended. In the air, the thigh of the free leg is higher than horizontal. The trunk position is upright, and for touchdown, the free leg is extended forward and downward. In the jump phase, the jumper takes off with the opposite leg and covers about 35% of the overall distance. During the takeoff, the support leg is almost straight. The body position is upright, Either the hang or sail techniques are used in the air. For the landing of the jump phase, the legs should be almost fully extended. Rhythmic jumping. The triple jump is introduced with rhythmic jumping exercises. The aim of these is to improve general jumping ability using both legs for takeoff. Different rhythms should be used. For example, 2 rights and then 2 lefts. Focus on the rhythm and avoid excessive heel contact. Multiple triple jumps. Multiple triple jumps are used to familiarize the jumper with the triple jump rhythm. The jumper should focus on the rhythm, not on the lengths of the jumps. Hops and steps should be of the same duration. The foot plant should be active and on the entire sole. Triple jump with step to a platform. This exercise uses a box of moderate height to improve the step technique. The hop should be over a gap. It should be flat with an active landing. The athlete's focus should be on a powerful step onto the platform. Over time, the hop and step lengths can be increased. Triple jump grid. This exercise has 2 values. It teaches the jumper to avoid overemphasis on the hop, and it allows the coach to differentiate athletes by their ability. Use the side of the pit to allow more athletes to be active at one time. Triple jump from a medium approach. Use a medium approach on the runway. This gets the jumper used to higher speeds and harder surfaces. The jumper should focus on the rhythm. Keep in mind that in good triple jumps, the hop and step are of equal duration. Whole sequence. The triple jump from a full approach completes the teaching progression. The aim is a balance jump with a fast, flat hop and a powerful step.